Out here in the Abacos on Elbow Key. Got this yellow feather jig head from Hopetown Bait and Tackle Shop. And I have on here a lure from AM Fishing. It's their garlic infused soft plastic. Hey, look.
Oh my god, you did it!
But it's a smaller one than the last one.
That's okay.
It's all good.
You recording?
Hope so. Hope so this time. Yep, we're going.
That's quick.
He's grunting. Grunt, 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 grunt. That's awesome. Beautiful little fish. Ooh, we're in the water again. It's a beautiful fish. The bugs are most definitely out though. Beautiful fish.